Zhangjiagang Heshun Machinery Manufacturer is a company with more than 20 years' experience, which specialize in cutting, bending, and forming, deburring, and other metal pipe processing equipment. We also have ISO 9001 and CE certificates. Based on the original mature technology, we continue to introduce Europe and America advanced technology and management methods. We use mainstream servo of control system, touchscreen, human-computer interface, which combined with exquisite machinery manufacturing to fully solve a variety of technology requirements for customers at home and abroad. Establish a reliable reputation of the industry. We have 15 years of export experience. Our machines have been exported to 30 countries and continue to accumulate the experience of metal pipe forming technology. We have successfully cooperated with a number of industries which are in US, Japanese, and Korean. Heshun machinery is called the export of pipe processing machines by our customers. In recent years, we focus on professional product upgrade, machine customized for personalized demand, development of intelligent production line, and has been successful cooperate with car, air conditioning pipe, furniture, and other related industries. We are solving various technology problems with efficiency, technology, and resources for our customers. Heshun machinery adheres to the principle of customer-oriented and innovation-oriented, which strive to provide a better, newer, and more comprehensive technical support to our new and old customers. We hope that our customers can visit our factory on the spot.